Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anetta, or 11 miles west of Benbrook, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benbrook, Edgecliff Village, Aledo, Burleson, Anetta South, Edgecliff, Forest Hill, Benbrook Lake, Everman, Crowley, Rendon, Anetta, Crescent, Anetta North, Cross Timber, Bear Oaks, Kennedale, Westover Hills, Fort Worth, and Lake Arlington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 32 and 51. Interstate 20 between mile markers 420 and 442. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 18. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.